Are you facing an ongoing Excel issue, or you're at your wits' end with that spreadsheet and don't know where to turn? Maybe you just want to learn that one key function to make your spreadsheet pop so you can nail that report and get that big promotion. If so, you've come to the right place. So there you are, thinking, if I was a Microsoft Excel master, boy, the things I would do. Make more income, solve more problems, get an expensive sports car and some cool expensive shades. The world would be your spreadsheet oyster. Hi, I'm Pat Excel, and while I can't necessarily legally promise you any Ferraris, I am a certified Microsoft Excel expert with years experience both teaching and utilizing Microsoft Excel to its highest potential to create everything from executive level financial reports to crafting programs in Excel from scratch that do things like create PDFs or send pre-composed emails to colleagues and clients at the press of a button. The possibilities of what you can do with Microsoft Excel are almost limitless. Let me help you unlock the potential of Excel. Join me for a live tutoring or troubleshooting session available right here, or you can brush up on your Excel skills with me anytime 24/7 through my comprehensive online Excel Green to Guru course. Currently, we only offer beginner to intermediate course, but I'm working on new classes now that will include intermediate to advanced subjects such as creation of VBA macros, pivot tables, creating your own database using only Excel, and much, much more. Anything Excel, I can teach you how to do it, or fix it, or make it. That's the Pat Excel guarantee. So don't sleep. Wake up your computer and invigorate your career by learning valuable skills in the world's most commonly used spreadsheet and magic creation software, Microsoft Excel, and take control of your future today.